Hi again, everybody. It is Saturday, December 18th, 2021. I'm having a little trouble with my Coinbase data feed, so I'm not getting my Bitcoin chart updated. I was going to do the daily bar pivot recap, but we'll do that tomorrow. Today, I'm going to give you the Astro Excel trend forecast for next week. You can see Sunday night, the 19th, and then on Monday, the 20th, we are basically flatlining, and then we're going to start dipping down Tuesday, right around just before midnight, and then we're going to be down Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we're going to flatten out here as we do a little double bottom around 4 and a slightly lower low at 14:33 in the afternoon. Then we start to move back up into the 23rd, and we hit a peak between 8 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. and then we start to drift down, and then we get into holiday time, so we do not have our data there. So that's kind of what we're looking at coming up into the week. Friday the 24th, I think the market will probably be closed anyway, but if not, even if it's open on the Globex, it's a good time to stay out of it anyway. So that's it. Short video. We've got a short trading week this week, but there you have it. Flat Monday, down Tuesday, down into Wednesday, double bottom, back up Thursday, starting to drift off late in the day Thursday. So we'll be back again tomorrow. We'll do that daily bar update. Probably take a look and see how those dates did on Bitcoin, gold, and the ES on the daily bar for the pivot reversals. So that's it. We will see you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and like the channel.